someone special. Who could it be?
This job's too big for you and me.
We need some help.
But never fear-o. It looks like a job for a Higglytown hero. A Higglytown hero.
I'm a Higglytown hero, brave and true. I help the town with the things I do. So work real hard and you will see that you can be a hero just like me. A hero just like me. I'm a baker, don't you know? I make pie cakes and cookie dough. But baking bread's my specialty, seeded, plain, and gluten-free. The bakery's where I do my cooking, baking treats so yummy looking. I knead the dough and churn up bread, and keep my customers very well fed.
Can you bake a cheesy pie for the pizza guy? Can you bake me a crown or a nose for a clown?
I'll bake a pie or a tasty crown, bake a cake that's upside down. With bread or bagels, pies or cake, I bake them all before you wake. I'm a Higglytown hero, bold and good. I help my friends just like I should.
So work real hard, that's what we'll do. So we can be a hero, just like you. A hero just like you.